Hi, I'm Charles B. Crenshaw, Jr., and my virtual presentation for the 2021 NGH convention is using EFT as a trance deepener. It's designed to help you better understand how one component of EFT, emotional freedom techniques, can be used as a tool to deepen trance. You'll learn the components of the relaxation response, something that's important in most trance work. You'll learn how EFT can be used as part of trance induction in a session with a view of deepening trance. And you'll also learn that content may not be as important as you think when it comes to change work when using things like EFT. This presentation is best for those who want to better understand some of the science related to our change work and how EFT might fit in with our work with a view to becoming a more effective and proficient practitioner. I look forward to sharing my program with you.